I decided to attend this workshop because I feel like there's no better place to get professional development and training than through these kinds of opportunities offered for free at our university. I've actually taken the workshop multiple times, and I find that each time I learn something new, and it's improved my teaching, and I'm certain that it's improved my students' experiences with online learning.
I decided to attend this workshop because I have been teaching online for 12 years, and I thought that it would be really helpful to invigorate my classes with new technology and new ideas that I hadn't considered after all of this time.
My favorite session, that's like saying, what was your favorite piece of the birthday cake? I would have to say everything.
The most important thing that I learned from the workshop is that you're not alone, that the faculty in the Design and Development Services Unit at the University of Akron will work with you, will sit with you, will help you put your course online. At first I felt like I had to do it all myself, and I thought it was an insurmountable goal. But after speaking with everyone from Design and Development, I found out that they are willing to work with you one-on-one throughout the entire year in order to take your vision of an online course and to bring it to fruition. So for me, that was very comforting, and it's probably the most important thing I found out in the 2 weeks.
The DDS staff is always there. When this workshop is over, they don't just disappear into the woodwork until they offer the workshop again. They're always there to help you in any way you can. And there are a lot of us on campus that have done this before, and if you ever want to talk to any of us, I'm sure they can give you our information, and I'm sure most of us would be very, very happy to give you even more detail on how this has benefited us and how it can benefit you.
Oh gosh, if you're a colleague and you're even considering this course, do it. You need to do it. It will improve, even if you decide never to do an online class, what you will learn in this course will actually help you become a better instructor. It will help you identify more with your students, and it will just make you an all-around better person.
This is worthwhile. It's 2 weeks. It's intensive work for 2 weeks, but it's worthwhile. If you're going to keep up with the changes in education and what students are expecting to have in a classroom, then you need to do this.
If you are interested in taking this type of workshop, I highly recommend it. It certainly takes a lot of commitment to come for the amount of time that's needed in the workshop, but I think that it really pays off. I think that the help that the people in Design and Development give is invaluable, and I think that the opportunity to think about your classes in a different way and to engage your students in a different way is really eye-opening and really helpful and is worth all of your time.
I think it's very worthwhile to take this workshop. There's a lot of information presented, probably more than you'll be able to use your first time through.
I think it's essential if you're going to be doing any online teaching. It's very thorough. You get pretty much all the tools that you need, and I actually plan to come back next year and take it again.
No, I enjoyed it. I took it last year and I'm taking it this year, and I will probably take it again next year. Learn something every year.
I would tell a colleague who's facing this considering to take this workshop, that it's definitely worth the time. It's a big time investment, but the benefits that you get out of it, I think, are well worthwhile, and I would highly recommend it.
What I would tell somebody about taking this workshop is do it. Just do it.
You have to take this workshop. There's so much, I can't even begin to list the amount of tools that I learned about.
I think there were a lot of really great sessions, things that I wasn't expecting. I was excited about seeing technology for making my interactive lessons better, so the H5P was really helpful, but there were also sessions that I didn't know about.